They say when in Rome, do as the Romans do. But the Romans never had this on the menu. The heck is this thing? And what does it have to do with nude beaches? The Airbnb of the sea. Peeing out of your mouth. And a tube of toothpaste. Trust me, the fact that this thing looks like a giant penis is the least interesting thing about it. This is Gaebul. Despite its nickname as penis fish, Gaebul is a worm, not a fish. And it dates back roughly 500 million years. Served in East Asia, Gaebul has a pleasantly sweet taste despite its shocking appearance. So imagine you're walking along the coast in California when you suddenly spot thousands of these little things littering the beach. That's what happened on Drake's Beach in California in 2019. Penis worms live in mudflats left by the tide, and when a major storm hit Drake's Beach in 2019, thousands of these penis worms were washed out of their tunnels.
What just happened?
Gaebul are also called fat innkeeper worms because of their ability to make these tunnels. These tunnels provide shelter for crabs and fish. One end of the tunnel even looks like a chimney. The Gaebul secretes a mucus net around the tunnel's entrance to trap plankton and other small fish. The plankton trapped in slime becomes a free meal for the tunnel's guests. Well, that's awfully neighborly. The penis worm moves by pumping water through its intestines. Since it only has one orifice, the penis worm expels the water out of the same opening it eats with. Okay, so what does our phallic friend have to do with a tube of toothpaste? Have you ever wrestled with that last dollop of toothpaste that just refused to come out of the tube? To properly prepare the Gaebul, you need to remove its intestines before chopping and serving the worm. Cut off both ends of the fish and squeeze out the innards carefully.
God, no.
Gaebul is so fresh that it's often still wiggling when it hits your plate.
I don't want to eat it.
Restaurants serve it raw with a savory sauce.
It's not gross.
I don't blame you if you want to brush your teeth after putting a wiggly penis worm in your mouth. Speaking of shocking seafood stories, do you know that the British did not invent fish and chips? Everything I thought I knew and understood about the world just came crashing down. Dive into that story next on Origins of Food.